Hi DIY friends! Today we are diving right into some of the most simple, easy, and inexpensive bedroom hack ideas you're not going to want to miss. If you're new here, I want to say welcome. My name is Shannon, the Daily DIYer. I also want to thank Birch Living for sponsoring today's video. I'm not going to hold you in suspense any longer. We're getting into the first hack right now. We're keeping this budget friendly by using all Dollar Tree products in today's video, starting out with this dish rack, but we're going to be using this in a totally different way. Instead of using this in your kitchen for dishes, throw some up into the top of your closet or on top of a shelf, and you can use these for your clothing. Not only does this keep everything nice and organized and neatly folded, but it's easy to then be able to grab what you need because it's all right in front of you. Dollar Tree also carries these amazing satin pillowcases. They are silky smooth and so great to use on your pillows, but I'm going to show you a totally different way to utilize these. We're actually going to take our extra sheet set, fold them up, and store them in this pillowcase. Of course, you could use the pillowcase that comes with your sheet set, but then that, of course, is going to probably get dusty. So by putting it in a Dollar Tree pillowcase, our whole entire sheet set stays nice and clean. If you have any clothing that tends to slip right off your hangers, I have an easy hack for you. Of course, Dollar Tree carries these great felt hangers. However, they come to about 75 cents each, and the hack I'm going to show you is going to cost next to nothing. All you need are rubber bands to actually twist onto the ends of your hangers, creating a non-slip surface. And of course, a bag of rubber bands costs you only about $1 or $1.25 at Dollar Tree, and you get tons of them in a bag. So you can do this to all of your existing hangers. No more slipping clothes. This product I was a little bit skeptical about, but I have to tell you, after trying it out, I highly recommend them. They are vacuum storage bags. They create an airtight and waterproof storage system that also shrinks down to about 1/3 the size of the articles of clothing or blankets that you're going to put in there for storage. It does come with a little clip on the top that helps you create that airtight seal. You just place your articles inside the bag and then make sure you have a very tight seal at the top. And then there is a valve on the side. And this is so easy to do. You just remove the cap and take your vacuum, suck out all of the air from inside of the bag. It takes less than 1 minute, and then replace the cap so that it stays airtight. This is such a great way to store larger items or seasonal items, especially great if you only have a small amount of storage space. Highly recommend. Now, we do have more bedroom hacks to come, but I want to take a second to thank Birch Living for sponsoring this video. Like most people, sleeping is really important to me because more sleep equals more rest equals more productivity, and I think we could all use more of that. Birch is a premium mattress in a box company that makes mattresses and sleeping products that are stylish, comfortable, and environmentally conscious. Their non-toxic mattresses are made right here in America and are crafted with organic, natural materials that have been sustainably sourced. It is specially created with breathability, cooling, and support in mind, and offers increased airflow and targeted zone lumbar support. It was important for me to choose a Birch mattress that is made with organic and natural materials because, unlike synthetic mattresses, the wool in these mattresses makes it hypoallergenic for both allergens, and it's mildew resistant. In addition to being a better mattress for me, Birch is committed to being better for the environment. My mattress is not releasing dangerous emissions into the air, as it is guaranteed free of harmful chemicals. I can reduce my environmental impact by having a mattress that is produced with raw materials. We've had our Birch mattress for about a month now, and we are just loving it. My husband has back problems, so we were needing more of a firm mattress. So we chose the medium firm Birch mattress, and we are just loving it so much. He's had so much relief now with his back. We both kind of fall asleep so much faster now, and after unrolling this mattress, we immediately saw what better quality this mattress was versus our old one. With your Birch mattress, you get 100-night sleep trial along with a 25-year warranty. And the best part about all of this is that Birch delivers your mattress right to your front door for free within the United States. And each Birch mattress comes with 2 of their Eco Rest pillows made from recycled plastic bottles. They're breathable and better for the environment. I love my Birch mattress, and I think you would too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out Birch. You can click the link below or go to birchliving.com/dailyDIY for $400 off your mattress plus 2 free pillows. Back into the dollar store we go to grab a few things to make our sheets feel so super soft, just like the luxury hotels do. We're gonna grab some scent beads from Dollar Tree, along with you'll need some baking soda and some white vinegar. You may already have these at home, which is kind of a plus too. Dollar Tree carries it if not. We're gonna take those scent beads, shake those into the bottom of our washing machine, and then of course you may need to adjust this depending on your washer. We're adding a half cup of white vinegar, which I did to the softener side, and a 1/4 cup of baking soda into my oxy tray. And then we need to set up our washing machine to the right settings so we get that luxury feel. Go ahead, add your sheets into the washing machine on top of those scent beads, and then all the settings we need. I have a bedding setting on my washing machine. You just want to make sure you have an hour-long cycle set with hot water. Make sure your oxy tray is activated. Go ahead, run this through the cycle, and then you're going to put them in the dryer, but only dry them about 90% of the way before making your bed. It's going to help release some of those wrinkles and keep some of that scent in your sheets for you too. Then you can spray it with some luxury, quote unquote, luxury linen spray, which I'm going to show you how to make here in just a second too. Let that dry a little bit, then you can make the rest of your bed with your comforter and decorative pillows, ready for a beautiful night's sleep. Now for that linen spray, I love the spray bottles at Dollar Tree. Great price, great quality, especially these metal ones that look very high end. And that's the one that I'm going to be using today, along with some essential oils that you'll need, some witch hazel, which sometimes you can find at Dollar Tree too, and some regular water. We're going to also need a funnel to help get all of these goodies in our spray bottle. You'll add 2 ounces of water, 2 ounces of witch hazel, and then 6 drops each of these following essential oils. I used peppermint, lemon, lavender, eucalyptus, and tea tree. And then I also added just a little bit more of the witch hazel around the funnel to make sure all the essential oils got down into the bottle. Shake it up and go ahead and spray. And just a warning that this combination may make it a little bit difficult for you to get out of bed because it's going to be so luxurious and comfy. Talking about luxury, speaking of luxury, these trays at Dollar Tree are amazing and have that high-end look. They're plastic trays, but they have that beautiful marble effect. Pretty hard to tell the difference. So this is another great item you can use in your bedroom for a tray to display different things on or organize different things on. This is an example of using some jewelry and storing your sunglasses on a tabletop. Also a great way to display your watches or your perfumes and colognes. This is a nice organization hack. I love these new pencil holders that Dollar Tree is carrying. Usually they have tons of different options, but this one actually spins, which I love. So I thought it'd be a great addition to my vanity to store extra makeup brushes and makeup tools, and just a nice way to keep things organized and handy. Next is a cleaning hack, one that I've used for a long time with the help of lint rollers from Dollar Tree. They also have these new ones that are extra sticky, which work really well on my sea glass lampshades. This is a space that gets a lot of dust on it. It's kind of hard to get down in there, but these lint brushes make it so much easier. You can use these on regular lampshades too. Just use the regular stickiness ones for those. This is also a great thing. If you don't have these from Dollar Tree, grab yourself one. They are lint brushes, and I love these for my decorative pillows, especially in the bedroom. Sometimes these don't get washed as often as the sheets, so if they start collecting dust, use one of these lint brushes. It takes it right off there for you. And then to just get them clean again, run your fingers over them, clean them off. You don't have to run them under the water or anything, and they're ready to go for the next time. These are also great to use on upholstered items like my vanity chair. This one collects a lot of hair and makeup and dust, but this lint brush cleans it all right up for me. Super easy. Definitely had to show you the before and after so you could see how much that really does pick up. I so am impressed with Dollar Tree. They're coming out with new items. These shower rings I had never seen before. These are a little bit pricey on Amazon and at Walmart, so grab yourself some from Dollar Tree, save some money, but you can also use them for different hacks for organization like this one. If you just pry them open to get them over your bar in your closet, you can use these to store random things in your closet, like scarves in this example. Also great for hanging up your purses or even baseball hats. Another idea would be to add your jean belt loops onto here to add your jeans to your closet or even tank tops. This next one is a kind of a similar idea for your closet hanging, kind of a hack within itself. It's a product that Dollar Tree carries. It is a hook that will actually allow you to hang 5 hangers from the little holes. And then once you have all of those hung up, you can release one of the hooks and it extends down, which reveals more storage space within your closet and sort of takes advantage of the vertical storage that's kind of lost in most closet spaces. So keep your eye out for those hooks at Dollar Tree, along with one of these flashlights that I found that I keep in my side drawer next to my bed. It has the big light on the front, more of a flashlight on the side. It's great in case of power outages to keep it handy when you need it. Next up is not a Dollar Tree hack, but it is a hack that I've used for a long time that I have to share. So instead of regular cup holders, grab a mouse pad. I found this one on Amazon. It was under $5. It was white, so it matches and blends in with the top of my nightstand. And it is so much easier to be able to protect your surfaces without trying to find a tiny cup holder and actually fit your cup into the cup holder. So it's just a little bit of a handy hack that I wanted to share with you. Don't forget to check out Birch Living and their mattress. I have a link in the description box to make it easy for you to save $400 off your mattress, plus receive those 2 free pillows. I'm telling you guys, we love our mattress. I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next one. Have a creative day.